Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username in Crunchyroll application. Watch the video till the end. To change your username in Crunchyroll, firstly open up your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on any anime you like and tap on it. Click on Start Watching option. On the next page, click on thumbs up icon at the left side of the page. Now to change your username, enter your name in the blank space and tap on done. You can also randomize your username as well. This is how you can change username on Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.